In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update your phone number in the Wells Fargo app. First, you'll want to ensure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your smartphone. Once you've taken care of that, go ahead and open the app. You'll be greeted with the usual login screen, so enter your password and username to sign in securely. It's always a good practice to ensure your login details are kept private to protect your financial information. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Most mobile banking apps have a menu that's typically represented by a three-line icon, also known as the hamburger menu, usually located at the top of the screen. In some versions of the app, you might find this option represented by your profile avatar. Tap on the menu or your profile area to access more options within the app. Now that you're in the menu, look for a section labeled Settings, Profile, or Personal Info. These sections are where you can manage your personal information and preferences related to your Wells Fargo account. Do a quick scan and tap on whichever one applies on your app interface. Then navigate to the Contact Info or Phone section where your current phone numbers are listed. Here's where the magic starts happening. As you spot your phone numbers, go ahead and tap on the one you want to change. Doing so should give you an option to edit this number. With the editing interface open, you're free to delete any outdated or incorrect numbers and enter the new phone number you wish to associate with your account. After entering your new number, you'll need to verify it just to make sure everything is in tip-top shape. Most often, Wells Fargo will offer you a choice between receiving a verification code via SMS or a phone call. Choose the option that works best for you and wait for the code to make its grand entrance to your inbox. Once you've received the verification code, return to the app to input it. Type it in carefully. Any errors here will delay updating your number. With the code entered, you can breathe a sigh of relief and tap Save or Update to confirm the change. Moments later, you'll see a confirmation message. This moment of truth lets you know your phone number has officially been updated in the Wells Fargo system, ensuring you stay connected with any important alerts and updates about your account. Make sure to keep your application up to date to enjoy all the new features and security improvements that Wells Fargo has to offer. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.